The biggest enemy of success is not poverty. It's not even failure. It's two simple words: tomorrow. How many times have you told yourself, "I'll do it tomorrow," only to watch the days slip by, your dreams untouched, your promises unkept? Deep down, we all know that tomorrow is the easiest way to escape today's responsibilities. But what if this habit, this quiet, persistent procrastination, was costing you everything you ever wanted? Meet Lucas. He's a senior university student in the heart of a bustling city, surrounded by opportunity, ambition, and endless possibilities. Like many, Lucas dreams big. He wants to land a great job, build a successful career, and create a future he can be proud of. But dreams alone aren't enough. Every morning, he wakes up with determination, only to let it fade by midday. Study sessions are skipped, workouts are postponed. Learning new skills is always penciled in for later. Lucas tells himself, "I'll start tomorrow." But tomorrow never truly comes. The consequences begin to pile up. Lucas fails an important exam, one he could have aced if he'd only started preparing earlier. He misses the deadline for a coveted scholarship, losing his chance to study abroad. Job applications go unanswered because he rushes through them at the last minute, unprepared and unfocused. His friends start to notice. They joke, "You only know how to dream, Lucas, but you never do anything." The words sting, but not as much as the disappointment he feels within himself. One night, Lucas sits alone in his darkened room. Only the faint glow of city lights filters through the window. He's frustrated and tired of breaking promises to himself, tired of watching life move forward while he stays stuck in place. In that quiet moment, Lucas realizes that the pain of regret is far greater than the effort of action. He wonders, why can't I change? Everything shifts when Lucas meets Professor Maxwell in the university library. Professor Maxwell is known for his wisdom, his uncanny ability to see through excuses, and his knack for changing lives. Sensing Lucas's struggle, the professor shares the story of the Chinese bamboo tree. For 5 long years, the bamboo seed shows no sign of life above ground. People walk by and think it's dead, a failure. But beneath the soil, the roots are growing strong and deep, preparing for something extraordinary. In the 5th year, within just 6 weeks, the bamboo shoots up over 80 feet. Almost overnight, it becomes a giant. Professor Maxwell's message is simple, yet profound. Success is built on small, consistent habits every single day, not overnight miracles. The story stirs something in Lucas. He begins to understand that real change doesn't happen in a single leap, but in the quiet, persistent actions that nobody sees. To help Lucas get started, Professor Maxwell offers him 7 daily habits, tiny action that over time can transform a life. First, wake up just 1 hour earlier. In a year, that's 365 extra hours for self-growth, enough time to change the course of a future. Second, read 10 pages a day. It sounds small, but by the end of the year, Lucas will have finished at least 12 books, each one a stepping stone to greater knowledge. Third, write down small daily goals. Instead of dreaming big and doing nothing, Lucas learns to break his dreams into practical, achievable actions. Every day he gets a little closer. Fourth, meditate for 5 minutes a day. Just a few moments of stillness, calm his mind, sharpen his focus, and reduce stress. Fifth, keep a gratitude journal. Each night, Lucas writes down 3 things he's grateful for, shifting his mindset from scarcity to abundance. Sixth, exercise for 10 minutes a day. Not to become a champion athlete, but to stay strong in both body and mind. Seventh, limit phone time. By escaping the endless distractions of social media, Lucas begins to focus on what truly matters. At first, the habits feel awkward. An extra hour in the morning feels like a lifetime, and reading 10 pages seems tedious. But Lucas sticks with it. After a few weeks, the changes are subtle, but undeniable. He feels more alert, more focused. His goals become clearer. The temptation to procrastinate loses its power. 6 months later, the transformation is visible to everyone. Lucas retakes his exam and passes with flying colors. He wins the scholarship he once missed, opening doors to new opportunities abroad. He completes a personal project, a small business idea that had been gathering dust in his mind for years. Lucas is no longer mocked by his friends. Instead, they ask for his advice. Years pass, and Lucas becomes a young entrepreneur, inspiring others with his story. He shares a message that goes viral. Change doesn't happen overnight, but your whole life can change because of one small daily habit. If you've ever told yourself, "I'll do it tomorrow," remember Lucas's journey. Start today with just one small habit. It doesn't have to be perfect or dramatic. It just has to be consistent. What habit will you start today? Choose one. Write it in the comments and come back in 30 days to see how far you've come. Be patient. Stay grateful. Keep moving forward. Just like the bamboo tree, your roots will grow deep, and one day you'll rise higher than you ever imagined. Don't let tomorrow steal your dreams. Start today. Start now. Hit that subscribe button and join a community of dreamers and doers who turn small habits into big success. Every video is your next step forward. Your journey begins here.